How to unblur likes on Bumble. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can unblur likes on your Bumble. So, first of all, let me open the Bumble app and then make sure you are logged into your account. Now, once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where if you go to the likes tab, which is on the bottom side of the screen, you can see the list of all of the different people who have liked you. But if you are just like me and only have the free plan, you will see that the people who have liked you are blurred out and you won't really be able to see their face or the photo or their name. So what you have to do to unblur this photo or the people who have liked you is simply go to your profile icon on the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, tap on the option upgrade. Now you will be provided with the list of all of the different plans provided by Bumble. So you'll have to select any one of these plans. Now whichever plan you take, you will be upgraded to Bumble Premium. Now once you have Bumble Premium, if you go to the likes, you will be able to unblur this like and then see the name and photo of the person who has liked you. So as of now, that is the only way on how you can unblur likes on Bumble and see who has liked you. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.